It just takes a wee bit of effort.
Barry, what's the situation in the country these days? We might have a slightly rose-tinted view of rural life with neighbouring farmers helping each other out, and yet there is a sort of dark side in the country too, with people fearful of break-ins and violence. What's your experience of the neighbours' situation?
Well, Conor, I would say it's very interesting to hear Stevie there, and a fair play to him for making that conscious effort. But my experience would be that the art of Kaelin, calling into your neighbour's house unannounced, might be on the decline. But there's probably other ways of community, celebrating itself. There's a problem, I think, in terms of people not mixing, intergenerationally. But you do tend to know people if your children are the same age and if they take part in the same recreational activity. You nearly grow as neighbours with your children taking part in activities. That's another way of it,
There is a fear of getting involved with neighbours sometimes these days. People are so litigious that they're worried that somehow by meaning to be helpful, they're going to somehow be punished for their goodwill.
Well, I suppose the cup of tea is an essential thing, Conor.
Keep it simple.
It's a modern concept. I enjoy hearing some people say nowadays, I don't take tea. And then you wonder, oh my God, how am I going to get to the next stage of socialisation?
Get the whiskey out.
So, something stronger, maybe.
Stevie says whiskey.
Yes. But commonplace exchanges like that, big oak trees from little acorns grow, Barry.
Yeah.
You've got to start somewhere with new neighbours in particular, because these are strangers and you have to tread carefully, don't you?
I suppose you do, but I would commend what Stevie's at there, which is being proactive and making a conscious effort. But I think there's a redefinition of community, happening all the time. And recently, I happened to comp here a Strictly Come Dancing for a rural community over 2 days.
Line dancing?
No, it was all kinds of dancing, and it was St Patrick's GAA club in Dona, County Fermanagh. Now, it was unbelievable celebration of community. The first night there was 500 people there in the Share Centre in Lisnaskea. The second night there was 500 people there, and I never seen such a very contented community in each other's company, and it made me think a lot about the value of community activities, the way that Stevie's doing it there on a smaller scale, talking about getting 22 people together or whatever, but you do need to organise events to get people going. And just one other one, in Carrickmore, there's a 2 o'clock club where a group of usually older men come together down at the football pitch every day. It's just a habit now. They arrive at the football field.
Well, these are all heartwarming stories, Barry, but we're basing this discussion on the poll in today's papers that say more than a quarter of us don't know who our neighbours are, and fewer than half of us actually trust them.
Well, that doesn't surprise me, but I do think we need to slow the whole thing down and stop running from pillar to post. People do need to slow the pace down and try to get a sense of what is really important in life.
Stevie.